Meet the B-Chip Back Posture Correction Belt, designed specifically to help correct hunchbacks and poor sitting habits.
Wait, stop. That isn't real. That was totally made with AI. Yeah. So what? If you're looking to save money, save time, and create killer UGC ads that boost your sales like millions of others, you're in the right place. Because hey there. And how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can generate your own user-generated content ad with AI. Let's get right into it. First of all, we need to know what kind of product we want to create the ad for. After doing some pre-research here and there, I found this back posture correction belt to be a winning product to promote. And by the way, watch my Shopify video to learn how to set up an entire shop using AI. Now, to create the video ad, we obviously need a script. The most important element of the script is the hook. The hook is the parts that should get the people hooked right away, so they want to watch. Since the attention span in humans is nowadays historically low, the hook should be perfectly executed in the first 3 seconds. One of the ways to get yourself a good hook is by looking at other sellers' ads. Just do research on ads that are going viral and work well. Analyze it and look into the hook they used. Once you have found the perfect hook, simply transform it so that it fits to your product. But let's say you do not want to do all the research. Well, no problem. I put together this prompt that we can use in ChatGPT. This prompt and others will be in the description, so you can easily copy and paste it. The only thing you need to do is enter the details in the brackets. So the product name, description, and what problems does it solve. So let's do that real quick. And for the product name, please use a condensed version of it. Okay, now fire up ChatGPT and paste the prompt there and hit enter. Okay, amazing. Now it is time for the second prompt. Here I am asking ChatGPT to use the hook and the AIDA model. What is the AIDA model? For those unfamiliar with this, AIDA stands for awareness, interest, desire, action. This framework is widely used in the copywriting space internationally and used by all the big brands. Now we also need to add the product description and features to complete the prompt. After you've done that, copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. And there it is. A perfect script for our UGC ad. Amazing. Let's copy and paste it into Google Docs so we can edit it if we want to. Since we only want the narration text, let's ask ChatGPT the following. Thanks. Now the narrator text only, please. And there it is. Simply copy and paste it again in Google Docs so it is safely stored. Now next it is time to generate the video ads with AI. And to be honest with you, I initially planned to use dark ads. It all looked promising and nice. I signed up with my Google account. And I even filled in all the necessary information. But then, just like that, they wanted me to pay for a subscription. That ain't happening. I mean, of course, they can charge money for their service, but to decide if it's any good, I always want to use it for free a couple of times. You know what I mean? So, yeah, then I searched the web and found Creator Kid. They have a lot of AI actors to choose from, so just sign up there. Now they want you to verify your email. And look guys, here we have the option to choose between adding the script manually or letting their AI generate it for us. I will click Continue Manually. Next, we simply need to enter the product link there. And to be honest, I don't think that it makes any difference if you put your website link there or that of Coca-Cola or Disney. Now, since we have a free plan, let's click on Continue with Watermark. Now here we can choose an actor for our ad. If you picked the wrong one, don't worry, you can also change it later. Now add in each scene a portion of the script, just like this. When you are done, click on Generate. When the video generation is done, you will receive an email. But guys, I am really angry about this. It's been more than 2 hours and the generation still hasn't finished. I bet the carrier pigeon lost it on its way to my email address. Hope you guys have some more luck. But no worries, I found a program that actually did the job for me. It is called Creatify. Let's go there. Now enter the product link in there. I will paste the AliExpress link and press Analyze URL. Okay, now we need to sign up and fill in some details. After you've done that, click on Analyze URL again. Now this isn't necessary at all, but if you want, you can add product media there. So if you have images or videos, you can upload them there. And here is a tip if you want to download images and videos from AliExpress. simply get this Chrome extension. That way you can just activate the plugin and then download all the content you want. Okay, let's add it to Creatify. Next, we need to enter the product name and description. When you are done, click on Next. Now, leave the aspect ratio like it is, and I will change the duration to 60 seconds. You could add the target audience, but that is optional. And click on Next. And look at that. There we have 4 different AI prompts we can choose from. And besides that, you could also opt to click on Do It Yourself, and then you can simply paste the prompt we saved on Google Docs there. But I will choose one of the AI-generated scripts right here. I like the problem solution script. So click, select, Next. Now, wait a few seconds. Here is this error warning that is just telling us that we are seeing only the video preview and not the final result. That is why the video is not lip-synced. When we click on Avatar, we have a lot of different AI characters to choose from. Click on one, and then it will be applied as your new narrator. And really, there are a lot of AI characters. It is really immense. It just kept going. Eventually I scrolled up because my fingers were too tired, lol. Okay, next to that, you can also individually change the voice aspect ratio and turn on or off the music. But I would leave that like it is. Moving on, we can select out of a lot of different visual styles. Once you have selected the one you like, you can either click on Render directly and call it a day, or you can click on Further Editing in Editor. The latter is what we'll click on right now. And guys, this editor looks a bit like CapCut. You can edit your entire ad right here. You might want to do that. But I prefer another way of doing things. I only want the lip-synced woman. So to do that, go ahead and mute the music and turn off the captions. And then click on Render. Since we have a free plan, we unfortunately will click on Render with Watermark. Now the video is being generated and the lip sync will be added. This will take around 15 minutes, so go ahead and touch some grass. And there is our video.
Ever find yourself slouching at your desk or feeling that ache creep up your back after a long day?
Okay, amazing. Let's download it. Now we are going to create the ad video. We are going to use CapCut. So let's open a new project and drop in our video we just generated. Now next I downloaded some additional product footage because having only one shot is too boring. So I looked some up on Facebook and YouTube. But please guys, make these yourself and do not just take them on the internet. This is for educational purposes only that I'm doing this so you have an idea how your ad can look like. Okay, now just place these extra clips where necessary. So for example, when she talks about sitting at your desk and having back pain, it should show a woman sitting at her desk touching her back because she has back pain. I also added this product image we downloaded using that AliSave Chrome extension. Now we are going to add those typical ad campaign captions. So click on Captions and then on Generate. Now on the right, go to Preset Style and choose this one right here. Scroll a bit down and click here so it looks like those viral ad captions. Now make the text a bit smaller and put it a bit higher up. Why? Because if you post your video on TikTok or Instagram, it almost always happens that it will be cropped. And especially on TikTok, they also add a lot of symbols at the bottom of the video, so be aware of that. To make the next thing work, turn off the main magnet. Now cut a piece of the AI character video and put it on top of the image like this. Now, Go to Remove BG and choose one of the options there, like the auto removal. And drag her anywhere you want. I did the same right here. And on top of that, you can also go to Mask and then choose Circle. And then it will look like this. If you want, you can do some color corrections or even add some effects. Now we are almost done. Last but not least, we need some background music. If you are not sure what kind of music is best, simply ask ChatGPT for advice. And then just go to the YouTube audio library and search for the background music for your ad video. Now add it to your video and adjust the size and volume. But the way, guys, to make even a better ad, it would be perfect if you have multiple people that say positive things about the product. So yeah, multiple AI characters. That will give the product more authority and it will build more trust. All the other big brands are also doing that successfully. When you're done, simply click on Export and export your video. Before I'm going to show you the final result, let me do the outro real quick. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own amazing user-generated content ads and make millions. Let me know in the comments how it went and how successful it was. Subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Bye. Oh yes, of course, here is the final result.
Ever find yourself slouching at your desk or feeling that ache creep up your back after a long day? You're not alone. Meet the B-Chip Back Posture Correction Belt, designed specifically to help correct hunchbacks and poor sitting habits, while ensuring comfort with its breathable material. Suitable for both men and women, this belt not only improves posture, but also boosts your appearance and confidence with its body-shaping capabilities. Easy to use and durably crafted, it's the support your back has been begging for. Say goodbye to back pain and hello to a healthier you. Get yours today and feel the difference.